The Pacific Ocean is vast and powerful, and its behavior can influence weather patterns across the globe. Recently, the Pacific has been in a La Niña period, which is like a cooler than normal phase. However, the Pacific is currently in what scientists call neutral conditions. This means the ocean is neither in a La Niña nor an El Niño phase. These neutral conditions represent a shift from the recent past. For several months, the central Pacific Ocean experienced below-average temperatures, characteristic of La Niña. However, these cooler waters have begun to warm, leading to the current neutral state. Understanding this transition requires a closer look at the cyclical phenomena of La Niña and El Niño. La Niña and El Niño are like two sides of the same coin, representing opposite extremes in the Pacific Ocean's natural cycle. They are part of a larger phenomenon called the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO for short. During La Niña, the central and eastern Pacific Ocean are cooler than average. El Niño, on the other hand, brings warmer than average waters to these regions. These temperature differences, although seemingly small, have a ripple effect across the globe. They can influence rainfall patterns, hurricane seasons, and even temperatures in distant parts of the world. The recent transition from La Niña to neutral conditions was driven by several factors. Primarily, the below-average temperatures in the central Pacific, a hallmark of La Niña, began to weaken. This warming trend was further aided by the expansion of warmer waters from the western Pacific towards the east. These changes in ocean temperatures are often influenced by shifts in wind patterns, which can either enhance or suppress the rise of warmer water from the depths. The interplay of these oceanic and atmospheric factors led to the current neutral state in the Pacific. As of now, the Pacific Ocean is in a neutral state, and this is expected to persist for the next 3 months. However, predicting the Pacific's behavior is like predicting the weather. It's a complex system, and there's always a degree of uncertainty. While neutral conditions suggest neither La Niña nor El Niño, it's important to remember that the Pacific is always changing. Scientists continue to monitor the ocean closely, looking for any signs of developing La Niña or El Niño conditions. Regardless of whether the Pacific tips towards La Niña or El Niño in the near future, understanding these cycles and their potential impacts is crucial for communities around the world.